Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2017 Nissan Altima SV, stock number B9475P. 44,000 miles on this Altima. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Color is called Gun Metallic. You do receive the balance of the factory 5 years, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle as well. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. The wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Pull of the handle on either side allows the split seat back to fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. This SV has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use.
To connect to your phone. Please wait.
And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect mobile media devices. Automatic transmission. And lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Altima has a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, 179 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average 27 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 39 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Altima, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.